You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. I know it's a little bit confusing. The spelling makes it a bit confusing. By the way, if you want to learn more vocabulary in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you, or stay tuned. Control is how it is pronounced. British and American English pronunciations are similar here. It's not con, it's can, generally. Control, a stress on the troll syllable. Control. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.